children, coming back to a literature class. In my last class, I have already told you that it is a mythological story about Epimetheus and Prometheus, who were two people of two different views. They went to Zeus so that the people who were getting painful life on earth, they should get something which will give them support, which will give them a comfortable life. And for that they went to Zeus, but Zeus was not at all ready to support human beings, because he had a thinking that if human beings will get all the pleasure of life, then they will not be under the control of God, and so they should get a hard life, so that in each and every matter they will pray to God and they will be under the domination of God. And so Zeus was not in support of the Epimetheus, that they should get a comfortable life, as because Zeus had a view that we have created human beings, so human beings should be under our control. So let's see what ultimately happens. So Epimetheus has seen that people are getting worse life because of excessive cold. They could not eat properly, they could not drink properly, they could not stay healthy, and they are dying. So he went to Zeus and he requested them to please give them fire so that they can get a comfortable life. But Zeus was against it. No, they quarrel among themselves. They are worthless creatures. Why should we give them anything? It's better we get rid of them. So get themselves avoided. But what should we do then? I will create a new race and teach them to serve us. Human beings are our creatures. They must do what we desire. हम लोगों ने बनाया उनको, तो उन लोगों को वही काम करना पड़ेगा जो हम चाहते हैं. How will human beings acquire wisdom? अगर आप उन्हें इस तरह से बर्बाद कर दें तो उनको wisdom कैसे मिलेगा, उनको freedom कैसे मिलेगा? How can they get a comfortable life? I believe you favor mankind, but that doesn't mean that you will go against me. That was the view of Zeus. Zeus ने कहा कि तुम इंसानों को सपोर्ट करते हो, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि तुम मेरे अगेंस्ट में जाओ. So you are impatient. You won't give them the time to learn how to protect themselves and survive. You destroy them with flood, thunderbolt. I beg you, Zeus, grant them the knowledge of fire. See how humankind flourishes. So उसने कहा मैं आपसे भीख मांगता हूँ, आप उनको आग का कंसेप्शन दीजिए, फिर देखिए वो लोग किस तरह से खुशी खुशी अपना जीवन बिताते हैं. I will not one spark will I share with them. For if humans had fire, they might become strong and wise like us, and after a while they would drive us out of our own kingdom. Besides, fire is a dangerous tool, and they are too poor and ignorant to be trusted with it. It is better that we rule the world without threat, so that all of us can be happy. I do not need you, Prometheus, to advise me what I should and should not do. मुझे तुम्हारे नीति की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है. मैं उन्हें आग नहीं दूंगा, क्योंकि ऐसा हुआ तो वो लोग मेरे सर पे चढ़ के बैठेंगे and they will drive us out. हमारे ही घर से हम लोग को बाहर निकाल देंगे. इसलिए मैं उनको ऐसा कुछ नहीं करूँगा कि वो अपने आप को भगवान मानने लगे. As Prometheus began walking the seashore, he found a tall stalk of fennel. He broke it off and saw that its hollow center was filled with a dry, soft substance which could burn slowly and stay alight for a long time. He carried the stalk with him as he went back to Mount Olympus. एक दिन शाम को प्रोमेथेउस घूम रहा था और उसे एक फनल टाइप का मिला, जिसके अंदर सूखे सूखे कुछ चीज़ें थी, एंड जिससे अलाइट मतलब लाइट टाइप की थिंग आ रही थी. अगर फायर में दो, ह्यूमन काइंड शेल हैव फायर डिस्पाइट व्हाट ज़्यूस हैज डिसाइडेड. उसे बहुत खुशी हुई, ह्यूमन काइंड को फायर मिल सकता है, ज़्यूस चाहे या ना चाहे. Prometheus sneaked quickly into Zeus' palace and stole a spark from Zeus. वो जल्दी से ज़्यूस के पैलेस में गया और वहाँ से उसने स्पार्क चुराया, एक आग का क्या बोलते हैं इसको, आग का एक स्फुलिंग कहते हैं बंगाली में, आग का एक शिखा कह सकते हैं, शिखा चुराई। He touched the end of the long reed to spark and the dry substance within caught the fire. और उसने उसको स्पार्क पे पास ले गया और फटाक से उसमें आग लग गई। Prometheus hurried back to the land of humankind, carrying with him the precious spark. वो जल्दी जल्दी humankind के लैंड में आया और आकर उसने वो स्पार्क अपने साथ में लाया। Hear me, O humans, come out of your cave. Stop shivering. Look what I have brought for you. Hey, इंसान बाहर आओ, देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए क्या लाया हूँ। Do not be scared. This is fire. You can keep yourself warm in the cold winter. You can keep away wild animals with fire. You can cook food and fire. Come out. Come on forward. देखो मैं तुम्हारे लिए आग लाया हूँ। तुम इससे जानवरों को हटा सकते हो, खाना पका सकते हो, अपने आप को गर्म रख सकते हो, and you can have a healthy life. Men, women, children gathered around the fire. They were instantly warm and happy. बहुत खुशी हुई उन लोगों को। अचानक से एक ठंडी की शाम को ज्यूस की नज़र में ये आया। उन्होंने ओलंपस से देखा कि नीचे कुछ लोग आग के चारों तरफ बैठकर देर एंजॉइंग। उसे बहुत गुस्सा हुआ। प्रोमेथस ने ये सब किया, मैंने उसको मना किया, फिर भी he has disobeyed me, imparted the knowledge to humankind, he will suffer. मैं उसको ऐसी सज़ा दूंगा कि सारी ज़िंदगी, सारे इंसान, ये सारी दुनिया याद रखेगी। Zeus ने अपने गार्ड्स को बुलाया। He called all his guards. Guard, chain Prometheus up to the side of the highest mountain. Let him suffer there till the end of time. गार्ड्स को कहा जाओ, प्रोमेथस को पकड़ के लाओ और चेन्स के बांध कर माउंटेन के बिल्कुल टॉप पे रख के आओ, जहाँ पर उसे इतनी तकलीफ़ मिलेगी कि वो तड़पेगा, लेकिन उसे ज़िंदगी से मुक्ति नहीं मिलेगी। So Prometheus was changed to side mountain Caucasus. He suffered from terrible pain every day, yet he was happy that he had given knowledge of fire to humankind. He was later rescued by Hercules, the mortal son of Zeus. उसे बहुत तकलीफ़ हुई, बहुत दर्द हुआ, लेकिन वो खुश था कि उन्होंने इंसान के लिए कुछ किया और इंसानों को एक कंफर्टेबल लाइफ दिया। बाद में ज्यूस के लड़के हरक्यूलिस ने उसे वहाँ से रिलीज़ करवाया। So my dear children, here ends one more chapter of your half-yearly exam. Now you should get prepared for your first unit test. Keep this aside, concentrate in your exams, in your subjects, and tomorrow you're going to have your live revision session. The time I've already declared. So get yourself prepared, and very, very best of luck to all of you for your exams. Okay children, bye bye, good night.